Hello guys, welcome to The Pharma Intellect YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see what is the branded drug, what is the generic drug and what are the differences between branded drug and the generic drug. So first see what is the branded drug. The branded drug को हम innovator product भी बोलते हैं. It is the first version of medication which contains new chemical entity that is discovered and developed through extensive research and the trials. So what is the meaning of new chemical entity? A new chemical entity is the chemical entity that has not been previously approved in any of the country by any of the regulatory agency, right? So let's suppose there is a pharmaceutical company XYZ who has discovered the new chemical entity. So what they will further do? They will incorporate that new chemical entity in any of the feasible formulation. Either it can be a tablet or it can be a capsule or it can be injection or it can be any other feasible formulation. Right, so that formulation will be regarded as the innovator product because this is a formulation which contains new chemical entity which has not been previously approved. So branded drug product gets the patent protection and the exclusivity. So what is the meaning of that? So patent protection means for a certain duration of time only innovator company can sell their product into the market. So कोई other company वो प्रोडक्ट कॉपी करके सेल नहीं कर सकती है. ये इनोवेटर कंपनी को राइट्स दिए जाते हैं कि वो वही कंपनी बस अपना प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में सेल कर सके, राइट. सो जो इनोवेटर प्रोडक्ट है वो एनडीए एप्लीकेशन थ्रू अप्रूव होता है. इट गोज थ्रू द एक्सटेंसिव अप्रूवल प्रोसेस. इनोवेटर प्रोडक्ट को अप्रूव करने के लिए बहुत सारे प्री क्लिनिकल एंड क्लिनिकल डेटा इस्टेब्लिश किया जाता है to establish their safety and efficacy. इनोवेटर प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट हायर होती है बिकॉज इसका इनोवेटर प्रोडक्ट के रिसर्च के लिए, ट्रायल्स के लिए, इसके डेवलपमेंट के लिए बहुत सारी कॉस्ट ऑलरेडी स्पेंड की होती है इनोवेटर कंपनी में. तो उसका रिवेन्यू लेने के लिए इसकी कॉस्ट थोड़ी हाई रखी जाती है. Innovator product has a distinctive appearance that helps the patients and healthcare providers identify them, right? So I hope I am clear with the branded drug. So let's move and see what are the generic drugs. So generic drugs simply are the copied version of the innovator product. So जैसे कि इनोवेटर कंपनी का जो पेटेंट है वो एक्सपायर हो गया तो जेनेरिक कंपनी है वो मार्केट में आएंगे, वो उनके जो इनोवेटर प्रोडक्ट है वैसा सेम फॉर्मुलेशन बनाएंगे और मार्केट में सेल करेंगे, राइट. सो द जेनेरिक ड्रग कंटेन्स द सेम एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट, सेम डोसेज फॉर्म, सेम रूट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. इट हैज द सेम सेफ्टी, स्ट्रेंथ, क्वालिटी, परफॉर्मेंस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एंड इंटेंडेड यूज. It does not have any patent protection and exclusivity rights, and it gets approved through the ANDA application. It is nothing but the abbreviated new drug application. And for the generic product, there is no need to do the preclinical and clinical studies to establish the safety and efficacy because the safety and efficacy is already been established for the innovator product. So generic company can rely on that data for the approval of their generic product. But the generic product company needs to demonstrate the bioequivalence between the generic and the innovator product. So in comparison to the innovator product, the cost of generic product is low because जैसे ही पेटेंट एक्सपायर होगा तो बहुत सारी कंपनियां मार्केट में आएंगी. There will be a lot of competition between them. So that's why the cost is low. I hope I am clear with the generic product. So these are the key differences between the innovator and the generic product. Please go through these by yourself and try to understand the key differences. Thank you.